Sad day, not just for the film industry, but for many actors like me, who kind of took a lot of learnings from a guy who taught how acting could be done in the generation that we were in. I remember very college days there was this film called Hassel, and I was pretty amazed the way this guy used to act. He has a way of telling dialogues. He doesn't tell a dialogue in a sequence, and he kinds of adds a few of his own method of how he would look and pause at a particular thing. Where earlier there was always supposed to be dialogues were told with a proper cause and comma and a full stop, and that you should not add another word between that. Used to be a trend, but he kind of changed that trend. He was a trendsetter. He kind of created an aura, an enigma among all character artists, and we used to suddenly start noticing how this guy used to act. Mm, that frivolous, that free way of acting, kind of generated from Irfan. And immediately after that, there was a film I remember called Makbul, and then there was so much of pain and trauma that he showed in his eyes that I can recollect that a scene where he a dead body is there and he's about to look at him, and his and there's a small movement in the in the body, and he looks at him and he almost gives the pain of what all has happened. It's almost like a remorse, and that scene really stuck in people's mind of what great an actor he was. Mm, then there was this film called, of course, he was seen, and suddenly, we were talking about how in big commercial films is not seen and things like that, and then chocolate kind of thing happened. And I don't think it is done well, but we saw him a little more polished and stylish. Um, but one film that really, I think, from when I started really admiring that guy was Life in Metro. Um, we should thank the director and whole people, writers who have written that film, and the way he captured the middle class, didn't get married, and the way remember that scene where he does this tiffin box thing with Konkana Sen. It's amazing. It's brilliant. The way he just asks that, are you a Kaist or a Brahmin? Oh, your name is this, and he just confuses that girl. And when I saw that film, and I was into films then, and I was about learning about acting and things like that, and I was wondering what Konkana would have felt. Konkana herself is a wonderful actress, but that guy just makes it feel as if it's not an acting anymore. You're almost seeing a life, and that I think is Irfan Khan. He used to show life through his eyes and his method of acting. I personally think that when he used to act, he used to, Irfan Khan used to be there in all the films. But why Irfan, as his, the way he did Pan Singh Tomar, he would tell his dialogue in a similar fashion, like how Amitabh would do or things like that. He wouldn't, his way of telling dialogues would be the same. But why would we see a new person there? Why would I forget Irfan from Life in Metro to an Irfan in Pan Singh Tomar? Or Makbul, is because I think he got into the skin of the character. He was no more, the Irfan Khan that we know, but he just went into the soul of the character, and it chose to reflect into his eyes, his way he used to look at people. And one very interesting thing, I always thought that it was from him that I started realizing that you don't have to tell a dialogue looking at an actor. You could just look somewhere, look in the air and start talking. He used to, when the actor was on this side, he was just used to look somewhere else and express some thought and just look at that person and again get back into something, look into the oblivion. So this kind of looking into the oblivion and telling a dialogue and expressing was something which was really remarkable, that we all enjoyed, and we all as actors, I think as writers, because dialogues are always told in theater form, right? An actor tells to an actor, and both are conversing, and there used to be dialogues where Diwar and Amitabh and Shashi Kapoor used to tell dialogue कि ये दिखा दो, ये नाम दिखा दो, उसको लेके आओ जिसने ये नाम लिख दिया था, and all that. People used to converse, but this guy used to just turn around, tell something, and again turn back into that scene. And it also helps the other actor to improvise. He used to think of what I should do, because he's not looking into my eyes or looking into what this conversation should be, but he probably is, because he used to use the space so well. And that, as an actor, I think what I learned a lot from this guy was that he used to use the space a lot. The way he used to sit in that theater, I think Hassel itself, where he was, he just sits in the chair and he just looks around and he looks back. The way he used to, the space in the frame of the camera, the way he used to use is something that we all have learned. I personally, I think there were many times when I never used to know how the particular scene was supposed to be told. And in by the time we were into Telugu cinema, there were so many times that the dialogue were written very dialogue based, and right now things are changing. But what Irfan has added and what writers have then realized is that even a character artist, and that's why I think Irfan, being a character artist in his earlier days, writers have realized that they can tell a story through him, that he became a lead actor, and he was one of those character artists who stood way ahead than most of the other actors. And in fact, if you see even Life of Pi, the way he was a character artist, but he was the lead also. You don't forget the way he tells about how Richard Parker doesn't look at him. He gives a little pause in that the beauty of that emotions, that pauses, I think it's not told by writers, but he realized it himself, and he used to be in the character, and the camera used to just wait for him to just tell that with that pause. And that's what happened even in Pan Singh Tomar. The way he gave so many emotions. A runner who became a rebel. He fights against the system, but it's a true story. When you look at him, I don't think nobody has told in such beautiful fashion. And I think this is what we've all learned from him. And Irfan Bhai, Irfan sir, we should thank you for existing. You were too young to leave us. There was so much more that you could have told us. But don't forget that you have told you've left behind eons of text for us, for all the actors, and we will never forget what you've done to us. Thank you so much. And that is the Pan Singh Tomar painting that I have done for you, sir. I never was able to show you, but you were always on the wall for me. As an actor, you were the one that inspired me of how to tell stories in a different way. So thank you so much, sir. And I know we'll miss you. There'll never be an actor who has told dialogues like you, who has looked into space like the way you've done, who has given a pause or given the emotion or the body language like a chameleon that you have done. And we'll never forget that. Thank you so much.